December sales report and best-selling items. For the month of December, I had 136 sales across all stores. This is way below my average. In 2019, I had 382 sales. I attribute this decline to the economic impact of the global health crisis of 2020. These are my sales broken down by store. Miss Rhodey 110, Weddings by Rhodey 1, Homeschool Me 5, Rhodey's Kitchen 9, Alma Africa 7, Bible Verses and Gifts 4, Earrings by Rhodey 0. Best selling items. My Best Grandpa Ever shirt was my best selling item this holiday season. In second place is my Best Nana Ever custom photo t-shirt. My beautiful black and white striped Bev towel set was my third place item. Also tied in third place was my black gradient design license plate cover. The rest of my sales included items such as wrapping paper, face masks, and holiday cards. Honorable mentions. My trendy tropical flamingo cloth face mask was a good seller during the holidays. Referrals. Using Pinterest, I have 4 referrals: wedding invitations, quinceañera invitations, customized love quote pillow, and wedding save the date cards. I made volume bonus because of the invitations. In addition to my usual Pinterest pins, I started posting on Instagram this month. It is too early to see if I have gained any positive results. I also post on my blog, Twitter, and I am beginning to make YouTube videos consistently. I should be able to measure my success in 6 months' time. Thank you for watching.